Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the new lesson of science, materials and matter. Okay, children, material means any object or things. Okay, materials means object or things, and matter means anything that has weight and volume. Okay, anything that has weight or mass and volume. Okay, children, every material is made from the matter only. Matter is smaller than the material. Okay, material is bigger, and all the materials, that is objects or things, are made from the matter only. See, for example, chalk is one material or object. Yes, and it is made from chalk powder. Okay, each small piece of chalk powder is a matter. Okay, each small piece of chalk powder in the chalk is a matter. Okay, chalk powder is a matter, and such small particles of chalk powder, when we add all the particles of the chalk powder together, then it becomes one whole chalk. Yes, so chalk is a material here, and each piece of chalk powder is a matter here. Okay, see one more example. We human beings are made of cells. Yes, here human being is a material or object or a thing. Okay, and cells are matter here. When many cells join, then tissue is formed. Tissues join to form organs. Organs join to form human beings. Okay, everything we see in the universe is made of something. Okay, see again few examples here. Sun is made of hot glowing gases. Air is made of many mixture of gases. Yes, earth is made of broken rocks. Water is formed from the hydrogen and oxygen. Human beings or animals are made up of tissue and cells. Yes, and also plants are made of tissue only. Okay, so everything in the universe is made of matter. Everything in the universe is made of something. Okay, the sun, air, soil, earth, rocks, water, plants, animals, and we human beings are natural things. Yes, and many of the things in the universe are man-made things. Okay, there are many man-made things in this universe. See, for example, table, chair, ship, buildings, road, bridges, many household things are man-made things. These all things are made by man. Now children, there is one activity in the page number 113. Write again 8 man-made things in the page number 113. Okay, write in the dots given. Write few man-made things there. Okay, and children, all man-made things are natural things only. Okay, see, chair, table, cupboard, doors, all these things are made from logs of wood. Then from where does this wood comes? Wood comes from plants. Yes, and plants are natural things. So all materials or things which are made by man are once the natural things only. Okay, buildings are man-made things, but in the construction of building we need brick, sand. Yes, and brick, sand are made from clay. Yes, and clay is a natural thing or natural material. Sand is also a natural thing. Yes, so building is man-made, but in the construction of building natural things are used. Okay, so all the man-made things are once the natural things, or all the man-made things are made from the natural things only. See other examples. Our clothes are made by man. Yes, but in the preparation of cloth we need natural materials only. We get cotton clothes from cotton plants. Yes, we get wool clothes from the sheep, but we cannot wear natural things as it is. Yes, man has to prepare as he wants to, and then he can wear it. Okay, all the materials which are made or prepared by the man are made from the natural things. Okay, children, different things are made from different materials. Okay, wood, glasses, plastic, rubber, leather, sand, metal, paper, cement are different materials. Yes, and these materials are used to make different things. Okay, and one object can be made with different materials. For example, chair could be made from wood also and plastic also. Yes, and also water bottle can be made from plastic also and metal also. Different objects are made from the different materials. Okay, and each material has certain properties. Okay, each object or material has certain properties which decide that for which product they can be used. Okay. And in the page number, children, 114, there is one activity. Complete that activity and send me. Okay, and the activity is write what material is made of or thing is made of. Some things or images they have given, some things images they have given, you have to write there what materials are used to prepare those things. See, for example, fan is made of steel, iron or aluminium and spinner. Okay, like that you have to write there from which materials these things are made of. Okay, which materials are used for these things. Okay, complete it and send. Now there is one more activity in the page number 115. Shut your eyes tightly and quickly. Write down the first 10 objects that come to your mind in the dots. Okay, they have asked you to shut your or close your eyes and write down the things that comes in your mind after closing your eyes. Okay, and write down in the places given and complete this activity within 5 minutes. Okay, write L for living and NL for non-living things. Children, after writing down the objects, you have to write whether the object is living or non-living. Okay, in the circles there. Complete that activity and send. Now we'll see what is matter. Okay, definition of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Okay, means, see children, in this universe everything is made of matter and matter joined to form materials. Okay, and each thing, whether it is non-living or living, all the materials or matter has mass. Okay, mass means, children, weight. Okay, mass means weight. All the materials have weight, and also all the materials or matter occupies space, means they takes space, they takes up the place. All the things in the universe has weight and they take up space. Both living and non-living things have weight and they takes up space. Okay, see for example, we human beings are living things. Yes, and we have our body weight, and also we occupy space, that is we takes up space. Occupy space means, children, see, if you sit on the chair, then you take the place on the chair. Yes, you occupy the space on the chair. Okay, you occupy particular place on that chair. So we have weight and we occupy space. Okay, that is we takes up place. And book is a non-living thing, and it also has weight, and it also takes up the space, that is, it occupies space. If you keep book on the table, it will take particular place on the table, it will occupy the particular place on the table. If you keep on the floor, it will takes up place on the space on the floor also. So whether it is living or non-living thing, everything that has mass and weight, and they occupy space, okay. And also air, water, they have weight and they takes up place. Children, everything that has weight and occupies space is called matter, okay. And children, there is one more activity in the page number 116, and the activity is take the heavier object in each pair. They have given images of bag, glass and ball. From those which is heavier you have to tick for that, okay. Children, there are total 4 activities in this lesson. Complete all the 4 activities and send. If you are not understood any topic in this, please do ask, okay. Thank you.